In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Apple gift card on Amazon. This is a straightforward process, and by the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to easily purchase the perfect gift for a friend or loved one. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to amazon.com. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL, or simply searching for Amazon in your preferred search engine. Once there, you'll see Amazon's welcoming homepage encouraging you to spend less, smile more. It's a familiar sight for many of us, and you're just a few clicks away from your goal. Once you're on Amazon's homepage, the next step is to sign in to your account. On the top right corner of the page, you'll notice the sign in link. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your Amazon account credentials. If you haven't created an Amazon account yet, take a moment to set one up. It's a quick process, and having an account allows you to track orders and manage your purchases effortlessly. With your login complete, you should now find yourself back on the Amazon homepage, but this time with access to all your personalized settings. The next task is to find what you're here for, the Apple gift card. To do this, locate the search bar prominently placed at the top of the page. It's your gateway to Amazon's vast selection of products. Click on the search bar and type in Apple gift card. As you begin typing, suggestions may appear, helping you find your item even faster. After hitting enter, you will be presented with a list of options. Take your time to browse through the listings. You'll notice various designs and values for the Apple gift cards, allowing you to choose an option that fits your needs and budget. Remember, if you're not sure which one to go for, you can never go wrong with the well-known classic Apple design. Once you've made your choice, click on the gift card that catches your eye. You will be directed to a new page dedicated to your selection. Here you can choose the gift card's value, usually ranging in different amounts, and it's also a good chance to check the delivery options. Whether you prefer an email delivery or a physical card in the mail, Amazon has convenience covered. When you're satisfied with your selection, click the Buy Now or Add to Cart button, depending on whether you want to purchase immediately or continue shopping. From here, you'll be guided through Amazon's secure checkout process. Fill in the necessary details such as delivery information and payment method, ensuring all your information is correct before finalizing the order. And that's it, you've successfully purchased an Apple gift card on Amazon, ready to be presented on the perfect occasion. Buying online is truly a simple and effective way to gift something special to someone in your life. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy sharing your gift.